Starting a business can be an exciting step. There's the passion, the hustle, and that dream to build something of your own. But in the middle of all that energy, it is easy to overlook some legal issues that can cost you in future when you least expect them. In this video, I'm sharing 5 common legal mistakes that business startups make in Ghana and how to avoid them so that you can protect your hard work from unnecessary risk. So stay tuned. The first mistake is choosing the wrong business structure. There are various types of business structures, but some entrepreneurs rush to register a business name and end up with a sole proprietorship that does not meet their objectives and needs. If you are aiming for a small, local, low-risk one-owner side hustle, that may work. But if you are looking to attract investors, expand locally and internationally, and get big contracts, then limited liability company is your best option. It will prepare you for expanding with its requirements and formalities. It will boost your credibility, and with its limited liability feature, it would protect your assets. So, there is no one size fits all. Know the objectives and goals of your business and choose the most suitable business structure, not just what is cheap or easy. The second mistake is not registering your brand name. So you have registered your company and you are building your brand. You have your name, your logo, you have your packaging, you may even have your software, but you haven't registered your trademark. In Ghana, legal ownership and enforcement of trademark are primarily based on registration. If someone else registers your brand name before you do, they have the exclusive rights to it, even if you may have used it first. You may fight for your unregistered mark, but that can be expensive and hard to win. So register your brand name as soon as possible because it is easier and cheaper than fighting for it later. The next common mistake is mixing your business and personal finances. Are you using your personal bank account or your electronic payment systems like your mobile money account for your business operations? If you are, then you need to be careful. Using your personal accounts may be convenient, but for a limited liability company, that can blur the lines between your company as a separate entity and your own personality. This can lead to what we call piercing the corporate veil, where in court, the court may look beyond the legal status of your company and hold you personally liable for the debts and liabilities of your company. This can also raise red flags for potential investors. So just register a business account for your company because it protects you and it makes bookkeeping easier. Another common mistake is skipping contracts with co-owners, clients, suppliers, and staff. Unwritten transactions and deals are risky. Without contracts, misunderstandings are way complex to solve. At a minimum, have a shareholders or partnership agreement, have service agreements with your clients or with your suppliers, and have employment agreements for your staff. The fifth mistake we are talking about is ignoring your tax compliance. Taxes can feel like a heavy burden, especially when sales are low and the money is already going into rent, salaries, and inventories. But the truth is, as soon as you start earning and hiring, tax compliance kick in, and the tax authorities expect you to comply. The good news is that taxes are often based on your actual earnings or your thresholds. So if your earnings are indeed low, your tax burden is also lower. Staying off the payment of taxes can affect you by attracting penalties for your business and also affecting your ability to bid for contract or secure funding. Just seek advice on the taxes that apply to your business and make sure you are complying because Building a sustainable business starts with compliance. Starting a business is a brave step. Now, take the smart step by staying compliant. Even if you've made some of these mistakes, it's not too late. Step by step, you can correct them and build a safe and strong business. Thanks for watching Alka Legal. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to run a legally sound business in Ghana.